What if I told you that Hamlet is more than just a story of revenge? That it is a window into one of the most revolutionary periods in human history, the Renaissance. Hey everyone, this is Ipsita ma'am, and today we are breaking down the Renaissance elements in Hamlet that every literature student should know. Number 1. Humanism. Humanism was the heart of Renaissance, where the world was gradually turning into a man-centric world from a God-centric one, and people started questioning their purpose on earth. Hamlet isn't just avenging his father, he's wrestling with the meaning of life itself. To be or not to be is more than poetry, It's Renaissance philosophy at its finest. Secondly, the Renaissance was obsessed with classical learning from ancient Greece and Rome, and in Hamlet you will find references to Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great, and Hercules, proof that Shakespeare was steeped in classical learning himself. And finally, we can see that Renaissance-inspired individualism is there in Hamlet. Unlike medieval heroes bound by fate, Hamlet is an autonomous individual, conflicted, flawed, but making choices based on his own moral compass. That's pure Renaissance spirit. He questions the authority, religion, kingship, and even the afterlife. So, this was more or less the Renaissance elements employed in Hamlet, but it is also true that it is a huge topic which cannot be just described through some simple words within a time limit. It is at least a 1-hour lecture with all the minute details and important understanding from the Renaissance and Reformation period. So, if you're willing to join my classes, where I teach BA and MA English students, please WhatsApp to 9874431783, where I discuss every text and provide notes and assignments prepared with my 10 years of teaching experience. Please like, share and support me if you're liking this video, and subscribe and grow like a pro with Ipsita ma'am.